Glocks or M9s, whichever will it be. Don't shoot up this house or I'ma call an airstrike. You tryna dethrone me from spot on number 1, but you noob, you lose. So best thing you haven't won. I will shoot you. 0, boom, you're dead. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some bullets. Here, let me itch your mate. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. Look at T-Series, they got knocked down in an airstrike. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. Look at T-Series, they got blown up by a frag. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. Look at T-Series, they got knocked down in an airstrike. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. T-Series just got blown up by a barrel. What the hell's a vector and why you wanna use it? Ooh, I'm a fast 12, whoa, you just an M4. Ooh, you got a 15 scope in your nation, but I got skill and ammo, so hold your defecation. Oops, happy emo. What on earth is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it came from some remote Icelandic community. No boy, bad boy, good boy. Now get all the ammo and let's throw this party as I itch your mate. Itch your mate. Look at T-Series, they got blown up by a frag. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. Look at T-Series, they got knocked down in an airstrike. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. Look at T-Series, they got blown up by a barrel. Itch your mate. Itch your mate. T-Series just got knocked down in an airstrike. You got a population of literally nobody, but I hope you don't mind if I kill you two in this game. Aimbot.